Hi guys! Good day! We're here at Shera San Jose, located in Francisco Home, Barangay Mulawin, here in the rising city of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, to tour you sa aming RFO or ready for occupancy na pwede mo agad lipatan upon completion of 20% down payment na available din for installment na 3 months. Shera San Jose is a very convenient place for your family to stay dahil isa sa nagustuhan ko dito, malapit lang ito sa major establishments na essentials for your family like shopping malls, 9 minutes away going to SM San Jose and Church, 4 minutes away naman going to Star Mall San Jose, 20 minutes away going to SM Fairview, Ayala Terraces, and Robinsons Mall. Andyan din ang ating supermarkets and wet markets like Pure Gold Star Mall, 6 minutes ride. 8 minutes away naman sa Pure Gold Tungko Wet Market, and Palmera Public Market. And also, we have here private and public school, STI College, La Concepcion College. 6 minutes away naman going to Francisco Hope Elementary School. 7 minutes Gumaok Elementary School. 7 minutes away Mulawin National High School. And also hospital. Meron tayo ditong Grace Medical Hospital, 1.2 km. Qualimed Hospital, 3.9 kilometers. Malapit lang ito sa Quirino Highway at syempre very accessible. Kaya naman napakaganda ng location considering na malapit tayo sa Metro Manila. Kaya naman kung ang hanap mo ay convenient place, location-wise, ready for occupancy na friendly price yet accessible, and definitely flood-free area and fault line free, then continue watching this video, baka ito na ang dream home mo. By the way, I'm Vivian, your real estate salesperson. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, so you'll be updated every time we have new house tour uploaded. So let's go, simulan na natin ang house tour. Welcome to Adelina Model Unit. Kung mapapansin mo, very modern ang design. Gumamit kami dito ng neutral color, madaming accent ng glass window na usually makikita mo sa modern designs ng house and lot. For the roofing, we use pre-painted rib-type long span, and for the walls naman, plain cement plastered finish with wall groups accent. And then sa ating balcony naman, combination ng glass and metal. And by the way guys, we have 2 type of Adelina unit, which is yung isa ay walang balcony. Kaya naman kung gusto mo ng mas mura or ayaw mo ng balcony, nag-o-offer din kami. And the total lot area of this unit is 72 square meter. And for the floor area naman, 79.91 square meter. We have here a 3-bedroom, 2 toilet and bath, service area, balcony, and 1 car garage. Here sa ating carport, it can accommodate 1 car like sedan, SUV, or van. And as you can see, cemented na ang ating flooring. And dito sa ating carport, connected tayo sa ating around 2.5 meters na service area that you can convert it as a laundry area or extension of your kitchen area. And by the way guys, before I forgot, upon turnover of this unit, allow dito ang modification or expansion ng bahay mo. Kaya kung gusto mong ipa-close to, pwedeng-pwede. Going to the main door, we have around 3 meters space for your pocket garden, or pwede mo din tong gawing space for your pets. And by the way guys, dito sa Adelina unit, ang kulang na lang natin dito ay gate since complete finish turnover na tayo. Here naman sa ating main door, we use Zen type panel door. Kaya naman napakatibay, naka-double lock na rin tayo. Tara, pasok tayo. Upon entering of this unit, you'll be welcoming of this spacious and bright living and dining area. And since complete finish turnover tayo, naka-tiles na ang ating flooring sa first floor and second floor. We use 60 by 60 ceramic tiles. And we have here a 5 window. We use analog finish sliding window, giving you a proper ventilation and natural light. Meron tayo dito sa front, and then dito sa ating right side, where you can see your carport area. And also dito sa ating service area. For the interior walls, stained cement plastered finish. Sa ating ceiling naman, we use ground painted steel deck. And dito sa ating first floor, buhos ang ating ceiling, kaya naman less maintenance and matibay. And dito, sa part na to, pwede mo itong lagyan ng L-type sofa, and then dito mo naman pwede i-install ang iyong television since naka-ready na dito ang ating outlet. Same goes sa part na to, naka-ready na siya. Dito naman tayo sa ating spacious dining area. Kasyang-kasya dito ang 6-seater dining table. Meron din tayo dito ang window for ventilation where you can see your service area. Dito naman ang ating access sa ating service area that I discussed earlier. Grabe, na-appreciate ko ang ating door sa service area. We use Zen-type panel board. Nakakadagdag sa ganda ng bahay. Pasok naman tayo dito sa service area. Again, connected siya sa ating carport. So, kapag meron kang event or celebration, di mo na kailangan dumaan sa main door para makapunta ka sa kitchen area. And then, this is gonna be your kitchen area. And again, complete finish turnover. Kaya naman, naka-tiles na ang ating countertop. We use 60 by 60 ceramic tiles. Complete fittings na rin tayo. Plus, ang ating underground cabinet ay naka-marine plywood na. And then, ready na rin dito ang ating mga outlet. Ang kulang na lang natin dito ay ang overhead cabinet. Dito naman sa part na to, pwede mo i-install ang iyong refrigerator. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating toilet and bath sa first floor. That comes with complete bathroom fixtures. Meron tayo ditong lavatory, toilet bowl with pedestal, two-way shower, naka-tiles na ang ating flooring, at syempre meron tayong window for air ventilation. Now let's go to stairs. We use concrete and wood planks finish, and then sa ating handrails naman, we use metal. Akit naman tayo sa taas. Again, we have here 3 bedroom, 1 toilet and bath, and balcony sa ating second floor. And grabe, kahit dito sa ating second floor, napaka-aliwalas. And take note guys, hindi tinipid ang ating mga door dahil napakaganda ng ating pinto sa mga bedroom. We use molded door na quality. And then, take note din guys, hindi masisikip ang ating bedrooms. And for the floor naman, we use 40 by 40 ceramic tiles, wood pin design. Punta naman tayo sa ating first bedroom. As you can see, very spacious ang ating bedroom. Ready na ang ating mga outlets at provision for window type aircon. Meron din tayong window for air ventilation and natural light. Punta naman tayo sa ating second bedroom. Malawak din ang ating second bedroom. Ang kinaibahan lang nito sa ating first bedroom, isa lang ang bintana sa ating first bedroom. Dito sa second bedroom, dalawa na. Kaya naman, ang ganda ng pasok ng hangin. Maaliwalas, naka-ready na rin ang ating mga outlets. Punta naman tayo sa ating toilet and bath. That comes with complete bathroom fixtures. So, nakatayas na ang ating walls and floor. Meron na rin tayong two-way shower, toilet bowl with pedestal, and lavatory. Meron din tayo dito window for air ventilation, and then meron tayo ditong socket para sa iyong heater. Yan. Lastly, ang ating master's bedroom. Mapapansin mo, napakalawak ng ating master's bedroom. Again, naka-ready na ang ating mga sockets. Meron tayo dito malaking window for ventilation. And meron din tayo dito ang accent ng glass. And dito naman ang ating access papuntang balcony. So, maganda rin ang ginamit nating door dito, ha? Yan. Combination of glass and metal ang ating balcony. Kung gusto mo mag-unwind or tambayan, pwede dito. Then, continue watching this video dahil i-discuss ko naman ang ating computation. For the computation, the total contract price of Adelina unit with balcony is 4,650,000, reservation fee 30,000 na deductible sa ating total contract price. And the down payment is 20%, 930,000. And the remaining balance is 3,690,000 na loanable via bank financing and in-house financing. For in-house financing, maximum of 15 years, 52,064 pesos. And then sa ating bank financing naman, 28,841. And for the Adelina unit without balcony, total contract price is 4,250,000, reservation fee 30,000, 20% down payment 850,000, and the remaining balance is 3,430,000 na loanable din via bank financing and in-house financing. Then bank financing, maximum of 20 years, 26,360 pesos. And then sa in-house financing naman, maximum of 15 years, 47,584. And may option din tayo for shorter term. Pwedeng 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. Depende sa inyo as long as pasok kayo sa required income. And also, we accept combined income kahit hindi relatives. And if you have any questions or site viewing assistance, you can message me or call me on the number provided in the screen. Or pwede rin sa aking social media accounts. By the way guys, dito sa Sierra San Jose ay existing community na siya. Kaya naman, limited unit na lang ang available. And exclusive community, kaya hindi masyado crowded ang ating subdivision. Again, this is Bibian, your real estate salesperson. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button, tap the notification bell so you'll be updated every time we have new house tour. Bye!